Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Chat Tech. It's been a long time. It's been a long journey. A lot went on in my life since I was last on here, doing more than just a short. So, man, I have collected so much tech and so much stuff, and my interests have changed a lot over the past year, a little over a year since I last talked to you like this. And I've really gotten into, I thought I was getting into video with the camera, but I really have gotten into photography. But that's besides the point. I know this is supposed to be like a Samsung thing, but I'm just gonna do my own thing. I really don't care about views or likes or any of that stuff. I just like making content. And if you follow me on some of my other social media, you know I've been doing that almost daily. But besides videos of waterfalls and my dogs, I wanted to start talking about some of the tech I have, both Samsung and some other stuff. And I wanted to make this first one a little fun. So I have this, the Ulanzi FILMOG Ace. Anyone know what this is? All right, let's go back to the bench. Yeah, I probably should have cleaned first. Let me take care of that. It's here. But I want to make one about this because this is just fun. This is a mini smoke machine. I've been using this and playing with this with my kids for a while now. It is just so easy to use. You hold in a button, the power's on, and it's ready to go. Needs a little bit more light. I have these Ulanzi lights too. They're magnetic. Oh, they are so great for when you need just a little bit more light. So, like I said, smoke machine. Hold the button, create smoke. It comes with a few of these different accessories, like this one, for when you want to go at a more of a 45-degree angle. I do have the settings all the way up. You can turn them down. And it's pretty easy. You just tap the power button. It shows you which one's highlighted, and you just go up and down to increase the fan or the amount of smoke you want to come out of the machine. Give some sweet smoky reveals. This is the favorite of the family. With that, you just put it close to the surface. Give yourself a nice blanket of fog. Check that out. This is actually a remote that you can remove. You can put it on a tripod and just keep blowing a little bit of ambiance into your shots. Do like a smoke waterfall. And then play that in reverse. You can even run to a store, get some bubble solution, dip the tip in it, and make smoke bubbles. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. Now, the first time I saw something like this was at Disney in Mexico around Epcot. I got a margarita that they used the bubble to blow a smoke bubble over my very expensive margarita. My daughter kept popping it, and they kept doing it for me, but I thought it was so cool. But back then when I looked online, these were like a couple $100 each. I don't know how Ulanzi did it, but they got it under $100, and I pre-ordered, so I got it even cheaper. The battery lasts a long time. The smoke, I haven't even gone through half the bottle yet, and I've been playing with this a lot. My kids have been playing with this a lot. And also, Ulanzi did something great. They put the recipe for the smoke, which is very easy to make, on their website. Like, who does that? You would think that the smoke juice would be where they make their money, but they're just letting us do what we want, which is nice. Now, this isn't my first Ulanzi piece of equipment. I have some quick releases here. And like I said, oh, these lights. I love these lights. My son uses these for his YouTube videos. He just, he does weightlifting with the magnets. He just sticks them up on the cage. Love it. Gives it a nice effect. But I am easily distracted. This, the Ulanzi Film OG or Film OG or whatever they call it, portable fog machine. It's just fun. And on a day where there's a light breeze or no wind, I actually take my camera in this up into the woods around sunset, and I walk around and I spread a little bit of light smoke everywhere and get some really great depth to my pictures. You know, some nice sun rays coming through the trees. You can literally add atmosphere to the woods. Just pay attention to which way the wind's blowing. All right, so yeah, this channel is gonna go in all kinds of directions. Welcome to my life. It is not organized in any way whatsoever. Back in July, after I turned 50, I ended up in a cardiac ICU with my heart surrounded by fluid. They drained it, it hasn't come back. Welcome to 50, right? And not too long before that, I thought I was having severe memory issues, which I still am. For example, I never turned on the GoPro and I never set up a second camera. But it turns out, memory issues aside, I have some pretty severe ADHD. And that is why I have all this gear, but haven't made a video. I just collect things. I've always done it. If you ever find my RC channel, you'll be like, how did he afford all those airplanes? And well, to be honest, I took a job at the hobby store so I can get every RC airplane that ever came out. And I've been meaning to make anything for a while, but I had a hard time getting past me. I think I've gotten past that. Oh man, but it's great to be back. I have a lot of great equipment that I want to share with you guys. I love these microphones. I love my lights, I love my studio, and I love my photos. So I might share a few of those here or there. I do have the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. Phenomenal. It blew my Mini 2 out of the water. It was one of those upgrades that was actually good. Well, everyone, welcome back to Digital Chad Tech. It was great reviewing this. This was worth every cent, and it's just a lot of fun. Oh, check this out. Is it hot in here? Ooh, and my son's favorite? I don't do it as well as he does. Oh, look at this. Should have been doing this the whole time. If you're gonna use it for like background, do it like a minute before and give it a chance to settle in the room. So to my subscribers, thanks for hanging in there. I know there's 141 of you. Hopefully that number won't go down with this video, and I will talk to you later. I'm kidding. It doesn't make you cough at all.